Hey, welcome to Stay Outside and Explore. I did a video, like maybe 1 or 2 videos ago, where I got the battery and I put the acid in there. Well, now it's fully charged. You can see the green light. It's fully charged. So let's put this bad boy in to the ATV and see if it starts up right away. All right, let's unplug this charger. Got the battery right here. Now the one thing that I have to do is put these little nuts in there. So what I ended up doing was folding up a zip tie and holding it down. Or folding it up so then that little square nut could go and be up there, but now I might have oh well, I'm not gonna worry about it. I can clip it. There, improvise. All right, so now let's put the battery strap in there, battery holder. Okay, just double checking, everything is nice and snug. Putting my tools back. All right, let's give this thing a little whirl. Turn on the gas. Give it a little choke. Good to go. Another job well done. This is how you make a good burger. Ground sirloin, $6.87 for 2 burgers. I was gonna buy the bulk, but they didn't have any, so let's throw these on the grill. All right, grill is nice and hot. Got some sea salt and some pepper, like almost like a kosher salt, but it's sea salt. Can't wait. Oh yeah. Smelling real good. All right, now it's time for supper. Nice burger, potato chips, and a glass of milk. All right. Please subscribe to my channel so you get to see more of my videos that are coming out. And give me a thumbs up. And we'll see you again when I put out another great video real soon. Thanks again for watching.